That's not what I wanted.
Today we're working in Plymouth, Mass, America's hometown, baby, where there's a million plumbers all fighting for small service calls on Facebook. My name never gets thrown out on those posts. Do you know why? I don't know why. Probably because I don't live in Plymouth. But we got this call from this homeowner who says, there's a valve leaking under my sink. I said, what valve? You mean like the hot or cold stops for the faucet or the dishwasher? He said, no, the valve. Okay. And I kind of knew it wasn't a valve. But this is one of those customers that says, 10 to 15 minutes. Going to be real easy for you, pal. All right, look at that. See all that corrosion up there on that clip? That's water damage. That's getting through the flange, probably because there's no silicone left underneath. And she says she sprays there when she cleans all the time. So I'm thinking that's what it is, because I tested everything else. So here we go. We got this GE garbage disposal, and the second I unlocked this thing, it smelled like 1,000 rotting onions. That plus crap. The Austin Powers reference. You ever smell that before, though? Just those stinking, rotten garbage disposals. It's like, dude, throw a lemon down here, please. So we'll take all this apart. And I wish I could just cut all this PVC out, but that's not what the job is today. I'm just going to try to put a new silicone seal on this flange and be done with it, because she is getting new countertops in probably a month or so. She's going to get a new sink. I told her, while you're at it, get rid of this GE garbage disposal, get a nice incinerator. So we're just trying to make it so that she could still clean the sink in the meantime and not have to worry about water getting into her cabinet. But, you know, I'm here. She's got to pay me anyway, so I might as well do the job. So we'll take these clips off. I'm going to end up dropping the sink. We'll take it out of the hole, but you're going to watch me struggle to get all the silicone off in place. I don't know why I was even attempting that, but look at all this brown gunk right here. All that silicone that's missing. It's been washed away, or maybe it was never there to begin with. So that's all the gunk and nasty shit that we got to clean off. Here's me struggling. You can see that. There's just... Why don't you just say, oh, you already took the clips off. Just take it outside. Don't even bother. But I always try first, because I like to do stuff the hard way. You can see it's just dropping.
Easier to clean it up outside. She's going to get a new countertop and a sink anyway, she told me, but they want it fixed for now, because that could be in a month or so. Just scrape this shit off. Alright, cleaned all the old shit off of there. Get some clear silicone inside. Put a new seal, we'll rehang it. Hook up the drain. Fill the bowls up. Because I really haven't found the leak under this sink yet. Nothing's dripping while I'm here, so. But those clips you saw them, they were all crusty, and I assume when they're spraying or doing whatever they're doing in the sink, it's finding its way out through the sink flange.
Alright, so we're going to put this disposal back in place, and I found with these GE disposals, or any disposal really, the second you disturb them, if you haven't really pulled it off in 8 years, they kind of always leak. I was a little worried about that. The gasket kind of dry rots and gets all slimy and disgusting and warped, so I was a little worried about that, but this one seemed alright. So we'll put that back on. The dishwasher discharge line is also installed improperly. It's kind of sitting on the ground, and surprised it doesn't look all black and moldy like they usually get. So that should be corrected. Probably when she gets new countertops, we'll redo all that stuff. And looking for a new top hat. Nah, I'll just put the old crusty one back in there. Like I said, it's all getting cut out in about a month. So as long as it's not leaking, we're not going to reinvent the wheel. And here we go. It looks white, but it dries clear after a while. That's all it needed was a new silicone seal on the sink flange. I told the customer, I fixed your valve.
Put stuff back where it belongs before the next job? Nah. So lazy. Dude, all I can smell is rotting onions. And it's only 9 o'clock in the morning.